Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn how you delete Snapchat account on Android. So if you're using an Android device, this is how you could delete your Snapchat account. So the steps in here are actually just similar onto deleting onto your iPhone, and let's get started by opening the Snapchat app. Now, once you're already onto the Snapchat, onto the upper left corner of the screen, you could click onto your profile for that. Now, once you've clicked onto your profile, I need you to go ahead and click onto the gear icon onto the upper right corner of the screen so that you'll get redirected here onto the settings. Now, here on the settings, you need to scroll down further until you should be able to find in here the support section. So just simply click on I need help. And then right after, you should be able to see in there the managing my account. So click onto that, and there you should be able to see the delete or reactivate my account. So you'll just need to click onto the first link for that one. And then right after, you'll get redirected onto the steps onto how you should do that. So you should be able to see the Snapchat accounts portal. Click onto that one. And by there should be an option for you already to go ahead and delete your account. So simply scroll to see the delete my account, and then right after it should be able to give you the different information on what are the things that will happen if you delete your account. So you need to type in your username and password for that. And once you have already completed that, you should be able to see a message that your account is already deactivated. So your account will be fully deleted right after 30 days. And if you wish to have your account back again, you'll just need to simply log back in onto your account before the 30 days period. And that's just basically it onto how you delete Snapchat account on Android. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.